Open the refrigerator door. Starting at the top corner, slowly pull off the old gasket from the groove until it is completely removed. Ensure the gasket flap is at the top of the door. Insert the new gasket into the door groove starting at a corner. Press the gasket into the groove all the way around the door.